Hello students, I am Santosh Kumar Singh, your subject teacher of biology. In last two videos you have read about the parts of reproductive parts, male and female both. Today we will discuss about the gametogenesis. What is the gametogenesis? The gametes development process is known as gametogenesis, and they develop in the gonads or called sex cells, and it is categorized in two parts: spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Formation of sperm is known as spermatogenesis, and formation of ovum is known as oogenesis. Sperm formation process takes place in different steps as given in this diagram. In this diagram there are both spermatogenesis and oogenesis, both. In spermatogenesis, production of sperm in the testes and produce 4 sperm from one cell after the meiosis. So after the meiosis cell division, the one cell divide in 4 sperm cell. So this is the structure of spermatogenesis, that is spermatogonia produce through the mitosis primary spermatocyte, then it convert into secondary spermatocyte, and secondary spermatocyte after the second meiotic division they convert into the spermatids, and the differentiation they develop into the spermatozoa. This is the diagram of sperm. The sperm has different parts like plasma membrane, acrosome, head region, neck, and the tail region including the middle piece. Spermatogenesis is a process of formation of sperm through the germ cell. This is the structure of pre-pubertal stage, and it is the structure of after puberty. So there are many differences occurs between this time. So this is the spermatozoa. Spermatozoa means developed sperm. They are embedded with the Sertoli cells. They attach to the Sertoli cells and they take the nutrition from them. So this is the diagram of sperms. This is also represents same thing. Sertoli cells are present outside and the sperms are attached with the Sertoli cells and they take the nutrients from them. Next one, this is the chart of the which represent the spermatogonia and the different steps. So what is the oogenesis? Oogenesis is a process of formation of ovum. Oogonia is a germ cell which after the mitosis cell division it converts into primary oocyte. Primary oocyte after the first meiotic division completion it convert into secondary oocyte, and secondary oocyte convert into ovum. So ovum is a main germ cell which takes place in fertilization. So this chart represent everything. Oogonia cell through the mitosis they convert into primary oocyte, and the first meiotic division they converts into secondary oocyte, and the next division they develop into the ovum. So this is the diagram of ovary, in which you can see the blood vessels, primary follicle, tertiary follicle showing antrum, Graafian follicle, and then ovum released. Then rest part is corpus luteum. So this is the process of gamete formation, gamete development, and in this process the sperm and ovum both are developed. This is the chart which represents the formation of oocytes. Here is primordial follicle in which the oocytes are developed. At birth, approx 6 million to 8 million primordial cells are present in child. Oogenesis, first meiotic division is completed in pre-ovulatory growth phase, and then secondary oocyte and first polar body formed. First polar body lies between zona pellucida and cell membrane of secondary oocyte. So this is the chart which represents the formation of ovum through the different stages. And next one is that is fertilization. Where fertilization takes place, the sperm are released into the fallopian tube where they takes the fertilization. That fertilization takes place in the oviduct or fallopian tube, and it forms the zygote. Zygote is a diploid structure which has double number of chromosomes. So zygote is fertilized egg, and fertilized egg become an embryo as soon as first cleavage occur. Cleavage means furrow or division of cell. But the cell is entirely not divided, it become growth. So growth and development process is called embryonic development. What do we study in embryology? That is first 9 months, that is prenatal development, first 2 months embryo, after that till birth fetus, and the postnatal development. This is the diagram in which the represent the sperm. When fused with the egg, it form the zygote, and zygote develop into the baby. So this is the process, and next video we will discuss about the menstrual cycle. Under this process we discuss about the hormonal changes in the menstrual cycle. So thank you, have a nice day, and read the topic properly and practice the diagram. Have a nice day. Thank you.